is a cute little friend. Hedge is a cute little friend, always smiling, always shining. Joy
Will you
that
make
has
funny
no
faces
end.
for us?
Hedge is happy, Hedge is funny, Hedge is full of cheer. He wiggles, he giggles, he spreads joy far and near. Hedge is flipping, flopping, Hedge is flipping, flopping, rolling, bouncing, little paws are never stopping. He runs into the forest with Monkey by his side. Monkey climbs the tallest trees with super speedy stride. Monkey climbs and climbs so fast up into the sky. Hedge looks up and tries to follow, giving it a try. Monkey says, come up from branch so high above. Hedge replies, no, 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 with tiny nervous shrug. He tries to climb the big tall tree, but slips down with a roll. Boing, boing, down the leafy hill, he tumbles like a ball. Monkey laughs up in the tree, swinging left and right. Hedge down below just giggles too, what a silly sight. Hedge makes funny faces, puffing cheeks and squinty eyes. Monkey copies every face, both laugh until they cry. They play all day in forest green, under sun so bright. Jumping, laughing, silly friends from morning into night. Friends all love our Hedge so much, he makes the forest fun. Monkey, bird, and all the crew, they join in everyone. Hedge the